In this video, let me show you how to fix Google Photos backup not working. Now, in order to solve this issue, you'll need to first of all ensure the common things, which is you have enabled the backup within your account, as well as your Google account has enough storage. Once you ensure that, the other thing that you need to do is allow the background and mobile data uses. So your phone's operating system might be blocking the Google Photos from uploading the files in the background in order to save battery. So what you'll need to do is just tap and hold the app of Google Photos, head over to the eye icon, head over to data users, and make sure that you turn on the background data or unrestricted data users. If this option was previously turned off for you, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. Apart from this, within these settings, what you can also try out is head over to storage, and right here you'll need to tap on the clear cache option. So once you follow these few steps, you should be able to fix Google Photos backup not working. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.